My name is Nolan.
My name is Liv.
My name is Jimena, and here's a little bit about my summer internship.
I would say I've learned how the corporate world works and the kind of the structure of leadership, and helped me grow professionally.
I've been interning in San Francisco and Silicon Valley, and I've been a marketing intern, so I've been supporting their branding outreach and marketing efforts.
My title was Grant Analyst and Coordinator. I was handling the pipeline of the different grants that Solputs was applying to, working with the different requirements and measuring the KPIs that were necessary in order to succeed and be competitive in the selection.
Spending time in college, I had a lot of school projects, especially at Menlo. Everyone has lots of projects at Menlo. And working here, there was a lot of collaboration, so helping getting communication between all of them and collaborating into accomplishing one set goal was really important, and I kind of translated that from Menlo.
Advice I would give for a future Menlo student that's going to intern would definitely be to start early to prevent that kind of last-minute stress and really leverage those networking opportunities such as the Career Connect Day hosted by the Career Services. And don't be afraid to reach out to people on LinkedIn and ask for job opportunities.
Just work as hard as possible and make a good first impression with their company so that hopefully they can turn that into a full-time position and gain as many skills professionally in the workplace as they can.
Another great thing about Menlo College is that right after your internship, you get to showcase your experience to other students, but also learn about other peers who did their internship as well.